Hi guys, so today in this video I'm going to show you how do you upload to TikTok without losing quality. So if you want to upload something without compromising the quality, you want to upload it in a good quality, what you can do is just open your TikTok app. So when you open your TikTok app, so what happens, like go to your profile, on your bottom right there, click on the profile tab. So once you're on the profile tab, on your top left here, top right here, you'll see three lines. So click on three lines there, and then what you can do, scroll down until you'll see an option called data saver. So click on data saver. So this one, so make sure this option is turned off. So at the moment it's turned off. So for you, if it's turned on like this, try to turn it off, especially when you are uploading. So when you're going to upload something, just make sure that this option is turned off. So, and then once you have already uploaded, you can like turn it on back on if you want, or else you can just leave it as it is. So that's what pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video soon. Thank you.